massive trees are mango trees. Believe it or not, they're
Wow.
48 years old.
Wow.
In 1960, you could stand anywhere in this valley, see the waterfall and the beach.
Really?
Wow.
Yeah, if my cousin Lawrence is in, maybe down at the bottom, he can show us some pictures.
Aloha. We managed to catch ourselves a cold, so there won't be much talking on videos for the next couple of days, but we reached the end of today's hike, which was a lot of exercise for these lungs today. But we're here, and we have one of the prettiest waterfalls in all of Hawaii right here in front of us.